Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change BMW X5 brake pads. First, always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate protective gear, such as gloves and eye protection. Next, gather all necessary tools, including a floor jack, a lug wrench, a C-clamp or caliper compressor, and a 13mm or 15mm wrench. Finally, safely lift your vehicle using the jack and secure it firmly on jack stands before proceeding. Now, let's remove the old components. Begin by loosening the 5 lug nuts and carefully taking off the wheel to expose the brake assembly. Next, locate and unbolt the 2 caliper guide pins, which are usually 13mm or 15mm bolts. Once unbolted, gently slide the caliper off the rotor and remove the worn brake pads and any shims. Remember to hang the caliper, avoiding strain on the brake line. With the old pads out, it's time for installation. First, thoroughly clean the caliper bracket and apply a thin layer of brake grease to the contact points. Next, use a C-clamp or a specialized caliper piston compressor tool to gently push the piston back into the caliper housing. Finally, carefully insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they sit correctly and are properly aligned. You're almost done. Before driving, check your brake fluid reservoir and top it up if necessary, ensuring it's between the minimum and maximum marks. Then, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm, restoring proper pressure. Next, take your BMW X5 for a cautious test drive in a safe, open area. Finally, bed in the new pads by performing several moderate stops from about 30 miles per hour to 10 miles per hour.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.